Embarking on a career in the medical field as a surgical technologist can be an exciting and fulfilling journey. These professionals play a critical role in the operating room, assisting surgeons and ensuring that surgical procedures go smoothly. If you're considering entering this field and want to fast-track your education, a Surgical Technologist Bootcamp could be the perfect option for you. In this video, we'll delve into what you should expect from a Surgical Technologist Bootcamp and how it can kickstart your career in healthcare. Let's explore a few of the most common places where surgical technologists might work. 1. Hospitals and operating rooms. The most common workplace for surgical technologists is within hospital operating rooms. Here, they are an integral part of the surgical team, assisting surgeons and nurses before, during, and after procedures. Their responsibilities include preparing the operating room with sterile equipment and ensuring that all necessary instruments are available and functioning properly. During surgeries, surgical technologists pass instruments to the surgeon, maintain a sterile field, and handle specimens for laboratory analysis. Hands-on training. One of the highlights of a Surgical Technologist Bootcamp is the emphasis on hands-on training. As a surgical technologist, you'll need to be skilled at handling surgical instruments, preparing the operating room, and ensuring a sterile environment. Bootcamps often simulate real-life operating room scenarios, allowing you to practice these skills in a controlled setting. 3. Experienced instructors. Bootcamps typically employ experienced instructors who have worked in the field. This means you'll be learning from professionals who understand the challenges and demands of the job firsthand. They can provide valuable insights, share anecdotes, and give you practical advice for success. 4. Focused curriculum. Surgical Technologist Bootcamps focus specifically on the skills and knowledge needed for the role. You won't have to take general education courses unrelated to your field, which can save you time and money. The curriculum is tailored to equip you with the essential competencies required to excel as a surgical technologist. 5. Certification preparation. Many bootcamps prepare you for certification exams, such as the Certified Surgical Technologist (CST) exam offered by the National Board of Surgical Technology and Surgical Assisting (NBSTSA). Achieving certification can enhance your job prospects and demonstrate your commitment to professionalism and competence. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.